In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set price alerts on eToro in this 2026 guide. If you want to stay updated when a stock, ETF, crypto asset, or another instrument reaches a certain price, setting a price alert can be a very helpful tool. It allows you to monitor the market without constantly checking charts throughout the day. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to set that up inside eToro in a simple and practical way. To begin, sign into your eToro account. Make sure you're logged in properly before moving on, since the alert settings are only available once you're inside your account dashboard. After that, go to the search bar and look for the asset you want to track. You can type in the name or ticker symbol. For example, you could search for AMZN if you want to follow Amazon. This helps you quickly locate the exact asset you want to monitor. Once you see the asset in the search results, click on it to open its page. This will take you to the main screen for that instrument, where you can view details, price information, and additional tools. From there, navigate to the Overview tab. This section usually contains a summary of the asset, along with key features and options related to tracking it. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct page before continuing. Next, scroll down until you find the Set Price Alert section. Depending on your device, you may need to scroll a bit more to locate it, so just move slowly and keep an eye out for that label. When you find it, choose an alert level. eToro typically gives you preset options such as -10%, -5%, +5%, or +10%. These preset levels are useful if you want a quick way to be notified when the price moves by a common percentage. If you want more control, you can also set a custom alert. Just click Custom and enter your own target price. This is especially useful if you already have a specific price level in mind based on your strategy or personal preference. Once your alert level is selected, save the alert to confirm it. Make sure everything looks correct before finalizing it, especially if you entered a custom price manually. After that, you're all set. Now you simply wait for notifications. eToro will alert you when the asset reaches the price target you selected, making it easier to stay informed without needing to watch the market nonstop. Thanks for watching.